Hello, and welcome to this presentation of vomBatch, the batching extension of Voice-O-Matic XSI edition. With the help of vomBatch, creating lip-sync animations for hundreds or even thousands of audio files can be done in very little time and without any user interaction. Let's take a look at how it works within an already loaded XSI. Here we can see a character which has already been set up with some shape weights. The first step is to create the VoiceOMatic setup for this character. To do so, let's go into the properties and click on Voice-O-Matic. Here we are simply going to map the different mouth positions with the shapes in the scene. This requires a simple click of Get for all the different mouth positions. Once this is done, the setup file can be saved and reused because it is actually what we need for vomBatch to work. Now that all the maps and the different voicemes have been set up, we are going to click on the Save button. Let's save the Voice-O-Matic mapping file as man-demo.vom. After creating and saving the setup file, we are going to remove Voice-O-Matic from the scene and close the Explorer. Then we launch vomBatch. Once the program is loaded, we need to select the folder where the audio files are located. Let's click here and go into the Sound Files folder, as there are several sound files located in this folder. Now we are presented with an optional step. We can choose to load some scripts to be executed, but let's skip that step and go directly load up the Voice-O-Matic vom mapping file that we just saved minutes ago. Here we simply select the file that we just saved, and we could change the value of the smoothing or the anticipation if desired. The last step is to define the destination folder, which is the folder where the animated scene files will be saved. Here we see that we can run script before and or after the lip synchronization process. For example, instead of saving XSI scenes, we could just execute a script here. They could be VBS or JavaScript files, and we could save the animation data directly to a game engine. Now let's click on Go, and vomBatch will automatically generate the lip sync animation and create a new scene for each file located in the folder. So let's click on Go now. The progress bar indicates the processing of the audio files. Afterwards, we simply go into the Destinations folder, and we see that a full soft image XSI project is done, and we could also see that 3 scenes have been created. All of this was done in a fraction of the time it would normally take. As proof, let's load one of the files to see the result. It's the same scene, but with quality lip sync animation automated with the help of vomBatch. This process took less than 6 minutes, and the results literally speak for themselves. The vomBatch way requires little user interaction and processes hundreds or thousands of audio files in no time to produce quality lip sync animation. Please note that vomBatch is only available to Di-O-Matic VIP members. Thank you for watching this presentation of vomBatch. I hope you enjoyed it.